This brand is made in China by Pro1 IAQ for HvacRepairGuy Corporation, which is a wholesale distributor of HVAC equipment. They are only available through their dealer network in the USA. The MLT701i is a basic programmable thermostat that can be controlled through a smartphone app, but it lacks most of the features that you would expect from a modern smart thermostat. It will not work for heat pumps or multi-stage HVAC systems and must be hardwired. The MLT855SH model can be used on multi-stage and heat pump equipment and includes built-in humidity sensing and control for enhanced comfort. The MLT955WH model has the same features and can be used for zone systems. The MLT855SH and MLT955WH thermostats can be hardwired or powered by battery for flexibility in installation. The guarantee on the units is not very good when compared to the other brands that require dealer installation. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HvacRepairGuy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.